Hi guys, good afternoon everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Trading Twilight and I am Ankita Agnihotri. And as I have given my analysis at this Instagram handle where I have chosen a buy and buy on dip at this 300 level breakout. So it has given a breakdown and a straight line really is there. So you just mark a trend line and going to follow the trend. So don't be bearish today. Like market has recovered fully, ready to move on the upwards only, and wherever it's going to give you a short out dip or sort of buy on dip, you can utilize it. Like market is totally in bullish territory and it is going to recover fully, I think so. So maybe 24,500 is possible or 24,450 is the area key level where it is has to decide it will be going to give a upside or more, or going for a like retracement of buying or a selling. So we will be going to trail till here, which is 24,440 is the area. I will be going to score off my positions accordingly the price action. So price action is totally on the buy side. Buy on dip is activated from the 300 level. And if we talk about like bank nifty, so bank nifty is also where the selling has converted in the buying, and this is the trend line which I have marked in the bank nifty. It has given a breakout from this 800 level, so you can plan your trade in this bank nifty as well. So if it is comes to give you a profit now, so that like you will be getting a enough profit in bank nifty as well, because this 800 is acting as a good support yesterday as well, and today it will be going to give a breakout. Then you need to like 50% quantity you can release at this before like 51,000, and above 51,000 you can plan again for the buying, and it will be going to take you till the yesterday high, which is 51,470 or 500 is the area. You can take it as a buy on dip, because if nifty is going to recover fully, so how can is this possible? Bank nifty is going to consolidate so much at here at the support, so it will be going to recover fully, I think so. And this is according to the favorite retracement. Nifty is going to give a breakout of this 51 retracement level. Now it's turned to touch the 61 retracement level, which is somewhere 24,400, and then it will be going for a 78 retracement level, which is 24,450, and then we will be going for a short covering, which is possible. It will be going to touch 24,500 as well. So I am not bearish today, as market has took a beautiful support from 24,200 level, and which is the key level. I just keep on eye in this 200 level. It is going to take support from there or it is going to reject. Whether everyone is going to be bearish, I have taken a buy from the like 300 level breakout, and right now I will be going to trail and hold my trade. This is a sort of buying where gap filling has done and now it's going to recover fully. So this is buy on dip is activated at here, and no need to go for against the trend, because trend is bullish today. We don't forget about the like last since 2-3 days. We have to plan in intraday. So intraday's trend is bullish, so you need to totally justify with the trend. And today's nifty is expiry, so it can go to touch the extreme resistance 24,600. It will be possible by today itself, because it's like a jackpot today in the nifty. If you are holding a long side, and this is a disclaimer from my side, if you are buying and selling any position